Hey guys, how's it going? How to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and download the Snapchat app. Now what I'm going to do in order to add a filter to existing photo, I'm going to just go ahead and open the Snapchat. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. You're going to see in the corner below left corner, you're going to see like a gallery kind of a thing. Click on it and it basically they will open up the new they will open up the camera roll or the snaps library. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add let's say for example this photo, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a lens, right? So I'm gonna just add lens right here, and basically you're gonna be able to add a different kind of filters to that photo basically, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.